Hi. So I started seeing my cat. I started seeing Dr. Shirley, I believe last September or October, and at the time I was going through a really bad breakup and I just could not for the life of me figure out how to move on from this person. So we started with that, and I'm really fortunate because I know that people say that it can take seeing a couple of different people, whether it be, like a clinical psychologist or a therapist or whatever you want to call it. People say that it could take seeing a few different people before you find somebody that you really find a connection with. And I was very fortunate because within my first session I knew that I trusted her and I really liked her methods. So yeah, started seeing her, and then we kind of moved through each element of my life. I wasn't going through anything family or work related at the time that I started my sessions, but there had been previous events and kind of childhood trauma that I wasn't suppressing, but she really taught me how to set boundaries with that and explore what happened in my relationships with pretty much everybody in my life. And without that, I would probably still be just trying to please people and not putting myself first. So I think that's been one of the biggest takeaways from my session, is just learning how to set boundaries. What I really liked about the sessions is that it was a good combination of talk therapy, but also exercises that can stick with me. I enjoyed the homework, I guess, because now I have the workbooks here that I can revisit and kind of remember the sessions and everything that she taught me, and I feel like I'm able to do it alone but still with that support from her. This past year has probably been the hardest year of my life, and I couldn't have foreseen that when I started seeing Dr. Shirley, and she's just been such an incredible help teaching me how to move through things and manage and handle the events rather than suppressing them or trying to be the person that I was before anything negative happened to me. She really taught me how to take those events, figure out what I can learn from them, and then move through it to just be a better person. And yeah, I don't think I would have been able to get through this last year. Definitely not with a positive attitude if it wasn't for her. So we stopped our sessions, I would say like the beginning of summer, I believe probably in April or May, but she's still been such impeccable help through text or audio, phone calls. So yeah, just thank you for everything that you've done to me, and yeah.